Hello, kids. Waving hand. Today, we're going to learn the names of things we see every day at home. Are you ready? Let's go.
Door,
Door. Window.
window,
Certain.
certain,
Switch.
switch,
Socket.
socket,
Remote.
remote,
Chair.
chair,
Armchair.
armchair,
Lamp.
lamp,
Ceiling fan.
ceiling fan,
Carpet.
carpet,
TV.
TV,
TV unit.
TV unit,
Sofa. Sofa. Floor lamp.
floor lamp,
Vase. Vase. Air conditioner.
air conditioner,
Washing machine.
washing machine,
Refrigerator.
refrigerator,
Oven.
oven,
Table.
table,
Bed.
bed,
Clock.
clock,
Mirror.
mirror,
Pillow.
pillow,
Hairbrush.
hairbrush,
Blanket.
blanket,
Bookshelf.
bookshelf,
Cup.
cup,
Plate.
plate,
Glass.
glass,
Fork.
fork,
Spoon.
spoon,
Knife.
knife,
Microwave.
microwave,
Dishwasher.
dishwasher,
Sink.
sink,
Stove.
stove,
Pan.
pan,
Pot.
pot,
Towel.
towel,
Toothpaste.
toothpaste,
Toothbrush.
toothbrush,
Soap.
soap,
Bathtub.
bathtub,
Toilet.
toilet,
Laundry basket.
laundry basket,
Broom.
broom,
Mop. Mop. Vacuum cleaner.
vacuum cleaner,
Trash can.
trash can,
Rug.
rug,
Closet.
closet,
Hanger.
hanger,
Drawer.
drawer,
Comb.
comb,
Hair clip.
Hair clip.
Hair dryer.
Hair dryer.
Iron.
Iron.
Fan.
Fan.